Number 13, it says to identify the parts of the exponential function. Please remember that all exponential function can be written as the a term here. Then there is a number that's here with a b, and it is to the exponent that is the variable of x. If we want to look at the growth or decay, we can graph it, or we can look at this value here of b. Because b is bigger than 1, we consider this to be a growth. So for this problem, it is a growth. All right. Then if we want to look at the amount, that would be the a value. That would be the initial. So here it would be a 3.5. The growth factor itself would be this entire value right here. So we can say that is 1.05. How much did it grow by? Well, we know that the base number is 1.00. So here we have 1.05. How much it's changing is plus 0.05. But we want that in percentage. So this is really 5%. Let's do B. Same process here. Notice that here, this number of b is less than 1. So this is going to be a decay, 0.90. Then this is the initial amount of 2,500. Then we want to look at the growth or decay value. The whole thing here would be the growth and decay value, and that is 0.90. It's the entire thing. It's basically the b value here. Then if we want to look for the growth or decay, we have to see how much it's changing compared to the base number of 1. So here's 1. Then we have the value of 0.90, and we see that it is changing by subtracting 0.10. Okay, in percentage form, that is 10%. So we can say it's decaying by 10%. So there you go. That is how you determine the parts of an exponential function.